Hey guys, it's Will. I wanted to show you this pretty amazing ebook bundle that's available for the next day. It's 60 vegan ebooks at a value of over $1,300 for only $50. If you bought them all individually, it would cost you over $1,300, even just one or two of these books. And I'll go through some of the stuff that's in there because it's pretty amazing. So what happens is all these vegan influencers put together all their books together, and then they sell them at a discount. So it helps everybody in terms of the people getting the books, and it helps these guys to sell more, and they can also offer other people's books that are in the same related field. So I was actually approached by Carolyn here. She's got a pretty big following on Instagram, and she has a bunch of ebooks and stuff like that. So there's some big names in terms of followers on Instagram. Lonnie Jane is a big one as well, and you can see here from the titles and what they get into, which is a lot of obviously plant-based type of stuff. But I'll mention some of the ones that stand out. There's all sorts of different fields: rebalance protocol for your health, gut issues, stuff like that. But I like this. There's a bunch on meal plans. So you see here meal preparations. A 4-week meal plan. So if you're busy and you want to optimize and efficiently make food for the week or stuff like that. Sometimes bodybuilders also track like exact calories, so they create a bunch of meals ahead of time and at a certain calorie intake. And emotional eating, that's another big one that people struggle with. Weddings, babies and toddlers, not stuff I'm personally into at this point, but you might be. Lots of recipe books and stuff like that. Another meal plan. This is Tess Begg. I've seen her on Instagram as well. These are some big names. There's also Fully Raw Christina at some point if you want some raw. You don't have to do everything like one way or the other. There's ways, even if you're not vegan, you can eat more plants and get some ideas for meals or smoothies and various recipes, gluten-free. A bit further down, oh yeah, slow cooker. So if you have sort of a slow cooker, you can use that. Some of the stuff that I'm interested in a little bit is the fitness aspect. So John Venus, he's a pretty big name, big muscular guy, and he's vegan and he's promoting. So lots of recipes, and there's workouts and sculpting for women and stuff like that as well. So kind of everything in the healthy living space. There's also skin, getting your skin healthy, stuff like that, stuff for women here, natural products, like how to use natural beauty products. So I mean, oh yeah, the other thing I wanted to mention was there's a couple of bonuses here. So this year I've been doing, or late last year and in the past a little bit, but I'm trying to really do this now, is get more into mental health, and that's breathing and meditation. And so there's a couple of free 3-month trials for a yoga and meditation practice here, and there's like a couple of platforms if you wanted to do that and get on there, and especially in the new year 2020. So for me, I'm going to be doing breathing, meditation, sort of muscle relaxation, guided stuff. I've been doing more essential oils like in baths and stuff, trying to just take time for myself. It's been a stressful year last year. So there's lots of great stuff in here. So as it says down here, it's 1 day and 18 hours. So it's pretty much almost over, and this offer won't be around anymore. So it's all these different people put together their ebooks. I wasn't really contacted, but you never know, maybe next time. But there's a lot of great names in here, and a lot of you probably already have my stuff. So I got approached by Caroline, and this is a pretty amazing offer in terms of even if you don't like a lot of the books or you're not interested in some of it, just maybe a couple of these books are 2 or 3 of them would be worth getting. And like in terms of for the cost of $50, you get the 3, and then you obviously you have 60 other ebooks, and you can look at them anytime you want in the future. And so hopefully this was valuable to you guys, and I'll put a link in the description below where you can get the vegan bundle for the next day or so. See you guys.